Hello children, are you all ready for maths class? I am pleased to welcome you all to this maths session, and today we are going to talk about triangles. Okay, some special property about triangles. Let us recall all the properties that we have learned in previous session. First one is centroid. Centroid is the point of intersection of all the three medians of a triangle. We get medians by joining the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. Vertex and midpoint of the opposite side. That line segment is called as median. We have three medians. All these three medians meet at a point and that point is called as centroid. Then comes orthocenter. Here we draw perpendicular line from all the three vertex. Again from the vertex we start, but not considering the midpoint. I just draw the perpendicular line from the vertex A, from the vertex B and also from the vertex C. And all these three perpendicular line, otherwise it is called as altitudes of the triangle. All these three altitudes meet at a point called orthocenter. And here circumcenter. Circumcenter is the meeting point of perpendicular bisector. The line should be perpendicular. Also, it should bisect the opposite line segment into two equal parts. This PM bisects BA. Is it clear? PN bisects BC. PQ bisects AC. And also those three lines are perpendicular. Such lines meet at a point called circumcenter. Last comes incenter. All the three angular bisector meet at a point called incenter. And the speciality about this median is this centroid divides that median in the ratio 2:1. Okay. Now, again, we had it all those four things in a tabular format. All the medians meet at the point centroid. Altitudes meet at orthocenter. Perpendicular bisector meet at circumcenter. Angular bisector meets at incenter. All these four are lines, whereas all these centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter are points. Is it clear? Okay. Today and before that we learned exterior angle property of a triangle. What is exterior angle property? The exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. We have two interior opposite angles. If I add those two angles, we get exterior angle. That is the exterior angle property of triangle. And today, what are we going to see now? Yes, some application oriented problems of median. Okay. We saw problems only that were in the text, and now I have chosen few problems outside the text. Okay children, here in triangle LNK, LN is equal to 14 units, NK is equal to 22 units and KL is equal to 34 units. If KM is the median, yes, if KM is the median of the triangle, then find the length of LM. KM is the median. See, I have drawn one median. So, this is going to be KM. And M is the midpoint of LN. If KM is the median, what are the other two vertices we will have? L and N. See here, in exam, they will not give you any triangle. They will just give you questions in words alone. You have to draw this diagram. LNK is a triangle. And KM is the median. So, median, KM is the median in the sense, what will be that M? M is the midpoint of opposite side. What is opposite side of K? LN. So, I plotted M here and I draw median here. Is it clear? Then you can take down LN is equal to 14, NK is equal to 22 and KL is equal to 34. But it is not necessary for me. They have given so many measurements just to confuse you. Okay, find the length of LM. I want length of LM alone. Do I know the whole length LN? Yes, I know the whole length LN. Can I find the length LM with the help of this LN? Yes. Why? M is the midpoint. We know Km is the median. They didn't say it is a midpoint. But it is understood. If Km is the median, surely this M should be the midpoint. Only if it is a midpoint, we can say this as a median. Isn't it, as per the definition of median? So this M divides this whole line in two equal halves. Whole is 14 means what will be LM? Yes, it is going to be half of that. See here, Km is the median. They have given it. So it implies M is the midpoint of Ln. So I can say Lm is equal to 14 by 2, half of 14. Ln is 14. They have given Ln to be 14. So I find 14 by 2 is equal to 7 units. If they given in centimeter, write centimeter. If general units, you have to write it as units. Is it clear? They can ask the same question in other way around also. They will give the value of Lm to be 5 and ask you to find what is Ln. At that time, you will multiply by 2. Then you will say the whole Ln is equal to 10. If they give you the whole and ask you the half, you have to divide by 2. And the reverse order, you have to multiply by 2. Is it clear, children? Okay, now the next question is, in triangle ABC, D and E are points on BC. D and E are points on BC. Side by side, look at the diagram. Such that BE is equal to CE. BE is equal to CE. If both the halves are equal, this BE and CE are equal, what can you say about this point E? Is there anything special about this point E? Yes, very good. It is the midpoint of BC. Okay. Then AD is perpendicular to BC. They have given AD is perpendicular to BC. Is it necessary for this D to be the midpoint? No need. It's just a perpendicular line. So it denotes altitude. This AD is altitude. Is it clear? Okay. Then which of this sentence, wait, I have not completed. F is the point on AB. Again, I have another point F, but it is on the side AB and not on BC, such that EF is perpendicular to AB. Again, this is also altitude. EF is also an altitude. AD is also an altitude. Which of these sentences are correct? Here are 4 sentences. AD is an altitude. Is AD an altitude? Yes, this is correct. Then AE is the median. AE is the median. Is AE a median? Yes, because we found E to be the midpoint. If a line segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side, that line segment is called as median. So AE is a median. AD is a median. Is AD a median? No, they didn't say this D as a midpoint. So it is not a median. This is wrong statement. EF is an altitude. They are saying EF is the altitude of triangle ABC. Yes, this is also correct statement. Hope it is clear, my dear children. These too many points should not confuse you. Line by line, word by word, make it clear in your mind. Each and every time you read one line, sort out the points immediately. Is it clear, children? Okay, now the next question is, in a triangle ABC, E is the centroid. E is the centroid. Very good. Find BE and ED. Now I have to find the lengths of median. In previous problem, we learnt about the sides. Isn't it? They gave full as 14 and we found the half as 7. Do you remember? Yes. Now here they are asking us to find BE and ED when BD, the whole part, whole median, the length of one median is 24 centimeter. This BD is a median. What is the special property about centroid and median? Do you remember? Yes, it is about the ratio. E is the centroid, then BE and ED are in the ratio 2:1. This is the speciality. Okay. Now think about simple equation chapter. Whenever we came across this ratio, what will be the original number? We will multiply with the common factor as 2x and 1x. So I can say this is 2x and this is 1x. So on the whole length is 24. So I can say 2x plus 1x is equal to 24. That is how I got this equation. Now you know to simplify this equation. 2x plus 1x is 3x is equal to 24. And when this 3 comes to this side, it comes in denominator, division. So 1 3 is 3, 8 3s are 24. So we got the value of x to be 8. I should not stop with that. What is my objective? I should find ED as well as BE. What is BE? Yes, it is 2x. 2x. So 2 into 8 is 16 centimeter. And what is ED? 1x. And this is x. So this is equal to ED. This is ED and x is ED and BE is 2x. Is it clear? So in median you will have different types of question wherein the question may deal with the sides of a triangle or the median of a triangle or the points, midpoints as well as the perpendicular lines. Hope it is clear, my dear children. And today another one more question. In the figure shown, P is the centroid. Again P is the centroid of triangle RST and PT. See here, now they have given PT value alone. They didn't give the whole median. In previous problem, we had the whole value. See here, they gave us full value. BD is equal to 24. Isn't it? Here, they have given only PT value and they are asking us to find whole, the reverse way. So, again start with 2:1. We know 2x is equal to 12. We know this PT alone is 12. This is 2 and this is one part. So this is 2x and this is 1x. The same process, little bit different. Okay, so 2x is equal to 12. So from that I get x is equal to 6. So this x is equal to 6 means this VP is 6. This one part, one part is there, no? That one part is 6. So on the whole we will have 12 plus 6. Is it clear? I will repeat again. P is the centroid. We know if it is the centroid, we can have the ratio to TP is to PV is equal to 2:1. So I can say 2x is equal to 12. That is what they have given here. 12. PT is 12. So from that I get one part to be 6, which is nothing but VP. We know VT is equal to VP plus PT. From the diagram only I am saying, I am not just doing any magic. It's from the diagram. Okay, so 12 plus 6 is equal to 18 and not 16, it is 18. Is it clear, my dear children? Okay, now you know what is straight angle. Yes, after 90 degree, it keeps on increasing and reaches a straight angle. That is 180 degree. Here, this is the 180 degree and it is called as straight angle. Then, now we are going to see about angle sum property of a triangle. See here, we have 3 triangles now. Same triangle, it all overlaps each other. 3 triangles. Okay, all these 3 are same. Now, I am rearranging all the 3. Here A and this is B. And this is C. I get a straight line in the bottom. Do I get? This is a straight line. Okay. I will continue in the next video.